Hey everyone, John Doan here from Equinox Home Financing. A lot of people always ask if they can use retirement funds or 401k when buying a home as a form of a down payment. And the answer is there's a couple of ways that you can use your 401k, and that's what we're going to talk about today. So a 401k is a retirement vehicle that you would get or sign up with your employer depending on where you work. And some employers match, some don't. But let's just talk about the available balance that you have in your 401k. So there's two methods here. One, you could either withdraw funds from your 401k and just shut it down or, take out or withdraw an amount of money, but you end up paying a ton of penalties, right? Because this vehicle, the 401k is, pre-tax dollars built so that you don't have to pay taxes on those funds that you earn. And you're allowed to put it into this tax shelter vehicle so that you don't have to pay taxes on it until you retire. If you withdrew money, you pay upfront penalties, and at the end of the year, you're probably gonna get a 1099, and you're gonna have to pay taxes on the rest of the balance that you withdrew. So I don't recommend that method, but sometimes you won't have a choice because you need more than what the second option can offer you. The second option is a 401k loan. Typically, if you are buying a home, you are allowed to withdraw up to 50% of your available balance to take out. It's a loan against your own self, right? Because this money belongs to you. So you're taking a loan against yourself, and you're allowed to take out 50% of the available balance to use as a down payment on a home. And you would just then make those monthly payments back to your 401k, and essentially you're just kind of paying yourself back. These are the different types of methods to use, as far as using your 401k for a down payment. That's what I wanted to share with you today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a great day. Subscribe to our channel below so you can find out more about home financing.